Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to be walking you through an easy step-by-step guide on how to find Revolut's QR code. So if you want to find the Revolut QR code, here's a simple workaround for that, but make sure you watch the video to the very end so you didn't make any mistake. So the first thing to do is the first step is to open the Revolut app on your phone and log in into your account. Then tap the transfer or payment tab at the bottom of the screen. Then from there, tap the request at the bottom of the screen and you will see an option to show my QR code or request via QR code. Then tap on it. Then your personal Revolut QR code will appear on the screen. This code lets others pay you instantly. You can also tap to send the QR code through WhatsApp, email, or copy the link. It depends on how you want to use it. Then the person sending money can scan your QR code using their Revolut app to complete the payment. And that's how you can easily find Revolut QR code on your phone. Hope you find the video helpful. Turn on the notification button and subscribe for more.